programs have you been involved with at MakerspaceCT?
So I first heard about MakerspaceCT when I came here and did the RISE program with Stanley Black Decker, and my teacher gave me the flyer, and then I signed up for EPP, and I did that for 3 months, and then now I'm a part of the Summer STEAM 3D printing week. In the EPP program, I learned CAD, I learned how to use the 3D printers. I made a speaker and a lamp. I learned how to solder, which was really fun. That was my favorite thing. And in this program, I built a 3D printer, and I got to do some more soldering and some more free printing.
I see that you made another lamp. Your first lamp was so cool, and I know you did all the CAD modeling from scratch. How do you feel like learning those skills built your confidence in technology?
It really helped me because I know that I want to do something in engineering with design.
And I know you're a really creative person because you come up with all these amazing creative designs all the time. So how do you feel like creativity has become intertwined with some of your new technical skills?
Well, just having the ability to create everything that comes to my mind, just make everything possible, I guess you could say. Like this, like it was just a thought, and then having you guys help me create something, like help my visions come to life, is really helpful. And like I said before, like it motivates me to like want to do this in the future.
What kind of jobs might you be interested in the future?
Probably designing, software engineering, coding, because that's also something I really like to do. Maybe even soldering, because I really like soldering.
You'd be an electronics engineer?
Yeah, anything in engineering really. Like hands-on stuff that I can like do all the time, so I'm always doing something.